Hello guys, good day guys. My name is Victor Adeyemi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we design a flower design. Yes, a flower design for a webinar or yes, a webinar. Now, our workspace size will be. With no further ado, let's get started. Our workspace size will be 1200 by 1500. 1200 width, height 1500. So let's get started. Now, first of all, I'll create my background. I have a background color in which I want to use. This is the color. This is the color code. 013147. 013147. Then afterwards, I'll import an item I want to use. Now, actually, I created this in Pixellab. I created this with Pixellab. I created this particular stuff with Pixellab, so I'll be making use of this. Then afterwards I will import something else. I'll start creating my shapes and other things I need on the design. Now let's get started. Now I'll create a rectangle shape here. I'll give it a color yellow. The color code is coming. FFA 202. FFA 202. Then after this, I'll duplicate. I'm done with this. So without wasting my time or without wasting much time, I'll just duplicate and come. By the time I duplicate, I will just move it here. Just move it. Then duplicate again for the third one and duplicate here. Then to actually make them align at the center, I'll just come here, click on the 3, click on this guy, align at the center. Then next time I'm going to lock them, then go on with other business of the thing. Then I'll come here, I'll type in my text. Wait, sorry, before that, let me copy this shape again and place it somewhere here. Let me reduce this size. Come here, I'll use this size a little. Yeah, I'll give it a stroke. Yes, I think I'll give a stroke of about 10. Then I change the color to that background color we use. So I'll use that background color for the stroke of this rectangle here. Then I will tilt this rectangle a little. I'll tilt it to around 8, angle 8. Yes, you just come to rotate and angle 8 like that. So that's that for that. I think I need to reduce it a little. 22. I think it's better position. Yes, it's better like this. So, okay. Then I will start by writing other things. Let me start by writing some things I need to write. So join us for an exclusive bonus session of our free graphic design training. Then the font we are going to be using is Avener. AVER. Yes, AVENIR. So I'll make use of heavy. Make use of heavy or black. Make use of heavy. It's too thick. Heavy or medium. Let's use medium. Yes. Now I'll align the text at the center. I'll scale it here. You can also align your work at the center there. Then afterwards, let's write something else. We need to create shape. Let's create another shape. Let's just create a rectangle, small one. Now the color for this rectangle, let's pick the color that's around the edges of the of this item I said I created the other time. Just pick that color there. Okay. So the color code is F3565D. F3565D. So let's put it. We've created that. Click OK. Now let's rotate this guy to around -63. Let's go to -63. Then we'll place it here. I think it's too long. Let's just reduce the width and the height a little. Yeah, it's still okay. I think it's okay like this. Then let's write our text here. Okay, we still need to create another shape. So let's create another shape like that. We're creating another shape. We'll place it here for the names of the speakers, because we're still going to put the pictures of speakers here. Now let's just give it radius of about 4. Change the color to that particular color that we used the other time. Yes. Now when we are done, I'll come to stroke shadow. Your shadow, take your blur radius to 1. Select this color that we use for the background. Then your offset, your offset for x axis 5, y axis 5 as well. 5. Now we've created a shadow for the box, for that little box we created. So without wasting much time, let me just duplicate it then. I'll just duplicate and shift it here and place it there. Let me duplicate and shift, so that I will not be creating them again and adding those text, adding those box effects. I added the effect to it. Now let me copy this text and write. Let me change the color first of all to this, then write it like the theme for this graphic design, the business of graphic design. Yes. Now I know why this thing tilted. Now let me go back a little. Now another why this has tilted or why it shifted was because I'm coming. Let me go back here. Now I've been told before now that when you are designing, by the time you are doing your text, you should make sure that you press back the OK button and the back button, so that your workspace will not shift and your items will not shift. So I think I know what to do. And quickly arrange them back. Now I have to pause this. Okay, we are back to where we stopped the other time. Now this, then let's change the color let's change the font style to the very big one, to black. Yes, let's change it. Let's increase this text. Okay, I think 50 is okay. 55 is okay for it. Let's copy this text again in the and let's write something else. from design to profitability. So next time you press your back button before you press OK, so that your workspace will not shift. Yes, that's the ethic for, because we are using all this Pixellab. They created it. It was not the original one. The Pixellab was created by other designers. I really love what's it called? I love Pixellab a lot. They created it. So come on. Just want to give this bold effect. Kind of much more bolder. Okay, let's continue. Now I think I need to tilt these boxes a little as well, and just tilt them to -4 each. -4 each. I'm sorry, I'm just jumping from one place to the other. Designing sometimes might be kind of funny. Yes, I need to create another shape here as well. I need to create another box shape, rectangle shape here. Yes, I'll change the color to this color. Change the color here. Then I can duplicate or create another one. I'll just create another one. Very simple. Just create another one here. I think this will be kind of much more longer. Then I'll reduce this one. Then this guy, I will tilt this guy a little. Let's say 8. Yes, 8 is okay for it. 8 is okay. It is okay for this guy. And this one is okay like this. Then what else? Okay, we'll write. Now let's complete our writing on the boxes and where our pictures need to be. Yes. Now let me just copy this guy here from here. Let me copy this business server. I think we tilt this to -63, so let me tilt this to also -63. Let me rotate it there, -63. Then I'll write free entry. So we press your back button, press OK. Now can you see that as well, I've been working since after that particular time that our design shifted. It has not shifted again, so it's because I follow the rule. So when you follow rules, you don't get banned. Simple, that's how it is. You don't get banned. So I'm done with that. What else? Now let's copy this, change the fonts to white. I'm sorry, this is taking longer. Let's write Saturday or write Tuesday. I don't know what we tilt. I think we tilted this to 8. So we take these guys and show to 8, so that it will look well in the box as well. Yes, can we see now? It's beautiful. Now let me copy this. This is what I'm copying again. I'm not I don't want to just go back again, selecting text, selecting font to use. You understand? That's why I'm just copying those ones. So I try to make this video very short as possible. April 22nd. Increase this text.
Download more on freenigerbeats.com.
Let me reduce the line spacing. Okay, I'll just copy this one. Put it here. A time. Now, beautiful. That is that for that. Okay, we need to write text here too. Copy this one. Change the font to white. Quickly move this bold that I added the other time. You can reduce this size. Let's finish writing. Write register. Let's have via this link. So reduce it. Increase it. Sometimes I don't use. Some places use this grid to actually set their things well. Sometimes I don't use it. I don't know. Maybe because I've mastered Pixellab a bit too. And let me put my WhatsApp link here. I put my WhatsApp link here. My personal DM. I just add it here for the sake of this tutorial. You can also contact me through that link. Yes, definitely. Okay. Let's put our social media. Let's add our social media. I already have some of those ones here. Let's just make use of this one. Now we rotate. I think we rotated this. What 8? So we'll rotate all of this icon to 8 as well. Just try to understand what you need to do. Just understand what you need to do. And you're good to go. And import the other ones. And rotate them as well. Beautiful. So let me write the text that is needed inside. The name. Here's the color. This is size. So my handle for YouTube and the rest is vkid_adme. So let me just copy this one again. Just it here. Alright, my name Victor Adem. Beautiful. Now we have successfully done that. Now let me just import an icon, add this icon to it. Now look at this magic. Look at the magic here. This icon, can we see that is blue, kind of blue? Now I'll come to color filters here and I will change it to one color of the design here. So just you tweak this your hue, you tweak it. By the time you tweak it, you see that you get one of the colors here. Now you see 135. I'm putting this color. This color. I'll just reduce it a little. You can place it anywhere you want. Just make design look kind of catchy and beautiful. Now let me write the names of the speakers. I'll add my picture for the first shape here. This first shape. So to add pictures in Pixellab is kind of easy, and there are two kind of ways we can do it. Now I'm using the texture type of way, adding pictures to shape. I'm using texture kind of shape, kind of. I have a picture here. There's my Pixellab here. This one. This one. And there's other picture. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm making use of this. Now this texture kind of this thing. Sorry, that was a mistake. This texture is kind of different. See, can we see how it looks like? Now I think it's not coming out well. Let me do it again. So that's how the texture is. But there's another one, you just crop your image into the shape and everything. So there's two kind of way you can So I work with Pixellab, adding pictures in Pixellab. Now I think I love it this way. Yes. Now let me write the name host and this time. Let me lock all of this icon. Yeah. So I don't want to obstruct what I'm doing. Copy. And let me just copy this one at the top. And host. I think what do we like rotate this guy to -4. So I'll rotate this font as well to -4 to make it cool in the shape. Wow, that's beautiful. Then I think I can also make the vcade. Yes, I can make the vcade bold. Just come here. Just come to vcade, click on bold. Just make it bold here, like that. Simple. Now let me come to the second speaker. I'll be using, for the sake of this tutorial, actually, I I read this guy a lot. I watch his designs and I try to replicate some of his designs too. So I can call him boss. I think he's not coming out. Let me do it again. Wow, amazing. I think it's okay like this. I'll just write his name. Fawaz. Seriously, I've forgotten. I know that it's Fawaz. The surname. I'm coming. Let me go check out. Okay, I'm back now. His name is Fawaz Yahya. Yes, Fawaz Yahya. Now I'm done with this. Copy. Now onto the next speaker. I'll be using another mentor, or the one I also follow, like that. He's a mentor as well. Just taught me design one time like that. So I'll make use of this picture as well. The top. Yes. So this is texture type, like using adding pictures to shape using texture. His name is Darden Singh Igbo. So beautiful. Now we have successfully done a flower design using Pixellab. Wow, I think I love this result. This makes sense. See you guys in my next design. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Please follow, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also recommend this YouTube channel to other upcoming graphic designer that wants to start learning using Pixellab. Thank you for watching.